Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, March 31st, and today our lessons are going to be on values. You can see right here the first worksheet is called My Top Values. I want you to think about what a value is, what's important to you, and you'll go down to the second page and you're going to rank those various values in the order of importance. If you look here, number 1 is going to be the most important and 20 being the least important in your table. Then you're going to fill out the top. And then once you are done with filling this top out, you're going to go right here to your self-reflection. This is the top of the self-reflection is the rubric. And you're going to go down here and answer these questions. How were your top values developed? Describe a situation you applied one of these values in your life recently. Describe a situation in which you didn't apply but maybe should have. In what ways might your value change in the future? And in what ways might your values stay the same? I mean, we're in some changing times and different things become very different to different people, right? So that is what your assignment is, these two worksheets on values. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, or if you want me to get on WebEx and meet you face to face. I don't have my WebEx room open today like I did yesterday, but I can open it in like 1 minute. So I hope that everyone has a really great day and good luck with doing your work, and let me know if you have any questions at all.